clear manner, because what we did not have that luxury. We were not close to our parents. What today's generation is enjoying, that closeness, that proximity. So again, as far as negotiation is concerned, definitely they are on the higher pedestal rather than parents. Parents are bound to listen to them. We are governed by their rules. So again, one more thing, what I want, like, how can we inculcate good personality? It is very important to expose them to struggle. I always say, my all family members, do not pamper our kids. Throw them to struggle, let them struggle, and they will come out with a flying color. If we keep on pampering and we do not expose to different environment, you will not believe. I have made a ritual that I take all my kids, all my nephew, niece to my hometown. That is my native place. So there is no basic necessities. I make them ensure that they appreciate the life other their counterparts in upcountry, in remotest part of the India, how they are living up. When we command about negotiation, see that we are asking for negotiation just because of luxury of our parents. They have given us such a thought process that we can think about negotiation.
That is very valid point Mr. Amit Singh mentioned. Now, I would like to quickly go to Ojasvi. You want to say something, Ojasvi?
Yeah, I did. I want to say that there might be room for negotiation in many cases, but the thing is that in many cases, not the child or the parent have that open set of mind that they would understand or empathize each other's opinion. They would, if the child would really negotiate something, then the parent would think the factor of overprotectiveness or being protective or knowing that, yeah, this is good for my child's well-being or something. So the parent will impose something or the other thing. But for the child, that thing won't be favorable for the from the child's perspective. And then the child would close out. The child would stop sharing stuff and stop saying anything. And then the factor of not being able to negotiate would come, but then the parents would say that we were always okay. So this is also a factor that both the sides cannot empathize with each other on a certain level.
Thank you, Jasvi. Valid point. See, it is called generation and thought. Divya ma'am, you are the mother of the only daughter. Okay, you have one on the single child. How are you making sure that your girl comes out as one of the best childs? What are you doing now? My second question to this forum is that obviously one which Mr. Amit Singh told, that struggle, they should be made to enter the struggle. How much do you people justify Amit Singh's statement? Is struggle really necessary? Many advertisements you see, they say hard work se hi success milti hai. And many advertisements are there, hard work karni kyun hai jab success bina uske mil sakti hai? So there is a complete confusion. Agar struggle face karke hi personality improve hoti hai, and today the world is nobody wants to face struggle, and you all are facing this struggle in your own families also. Like Shivangi, jitni aap concerned apne ghar aur mummy ke liye hain, maybe brother is not that much. So why is it happening, and how to do you agree with Amit Singh what he said?
No,
Struggle
sir,
is
I don't.
necessary?
No, sir.
No,
I do
sir,
not.
I don't agree with it. I just want to say something. Okay.
Sure.
So success doesn't come with hard work. It comes only by smart work.
Smart work.
If you do hard work, and you can say many people are doing hard work, but they are not successful. So we have to add value addition in our work. The smart work we have to do. If we can add value addition, like I can say an example of Ola. No? They added a value addition to the customer. Now we have to pay only one. Where we want to go, I have to pay that much amount only. Earlier, I want to one line more. I want to add one line more. I am not comfortable with the word negotiation. Kids. We should say, we should learn to our kids that you have to earn a thing. You don't have to negotiate with us. You have to earn what you want. Now, normally, what we do, we give them what they want. But if we
hello, sir. Sir, I want to say something about that.
Somebody, just a moment. Shashi wanted to. Calcutta wants to say something to. Calcutta, come on.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Actually, I just want to go with Amit sir because I strongly believe struggle is important also, and everyone's life have struggle. We need to just understand what is a struggle and what we consider as a struggle in all our day-to-day life. We can say if we want to go and get to more success, then definitely we need to go with the process. Once we heard a quote also, whenever we want to get success and whenever we want to just complete or achieve anything, so we need to go with the process. The
This is the
process
part
is
of
also
this is the part of process. We should enjoy this. We should not take as a negative thing or something. It's very difficult
struggle
or
is
very
not
tough.
a negative
All
word.
right.
We
All
need
right.
to
Prachi,
understand what
all
is
right. All right. Personality grooming means putting the children to struggle that can improve their personality. Negotiating with them can improve their personality. What other element do you think can add value to children's today's personality? I would like this question straight away to I would like to go to Ramilan, then I'll come to Ramilan, please. What do you think?
Sir, I think we should set example for our kids.
Wow.
We should show them what we are doing, how we are doing, and let them follow. And to follow them, we should do good.
Great, sir.
Wonderful. Anju ma'am, I will come to you. Switch on your audio. Anju ma'am, you have set so many examples. Your children, you have 2 children. Your audio is off, Anju ma'am. Ma'am, please switch on your audio.
Is it?
Yeah, now
Okay.
it is okay. It is okay. So
Yes,
Ramilan said that we should set an example for children. Do you agree with him? Children really follow the example? Are they really interested in going through the struggle story of parents? Are they?
Sir, it's this is what environment plays role. Although we have all struggle. First of all, I would like to say,
We are able to. Please continue.
Yes. What does struggle? Someone said, don't need to get the success. We don't have to have hard work. We have to have smart. Either it's hard work or it's smart work. Struggle is always. Now we have to see what the struggle means. It's very different parameter. Like someone has a struggle, he's not having anything in his pocket to buy the things, to get the things, to prepare the meals, sort of things. And someone is having everything over there, but she cannot cook or he cannot cook. So struggle is always there. What we take it as struggle, it is always there.
All right.
One
Thank you,
has
Anju
to
ma'am.
make.
Thank you, Anju ma'am. I will come quickly to Renu. Renu, you wanted to.
Sir, I would like to add personality is an important part of children in children nowadays. It is not about a struggle. It is not about negotiation. It is not about hard work. Personality. There is no mantra for to be successful. That if we are doing hard work, if we are throwing them into the this thing struggle. What I personally think is children should be educated in that manner, or children basically learn from their parents. If we have to show them something, or if we have to teach them something, we have to be that personality. Learn from their parents. If we want them to be honest, we have to be honest at our home. So it's all about the learning of the parents or teaching of the parents. Children will definitely learn from their parents. So we can think about that.
Thank you. Now, can we just any other element do you people want to suggest that which is needed to improve children's personality or maybe the world's personality?
Just I want to add something.
Yeah,
Personality development, this not thing you can buy on ready-made from the market. This is a practical thing. So if really you want to develop personality, your kids or your subordinate or your dependent, so first of all you have to do same way and you have to behave of the same because this is not ready-made available in the market. Just buy and own and then you can behave. So yes, I agree with if you actually want to develop some skill on your kids, so first of all you have to own on this. Just for example, like you are doing this smoking on daily basis and your expectation your kid will not do smoke. This is not because you are doing smoking, he's saying daily basis on you, so definitely after some time he will also do.
Okay.
So
thank you, Mr. Tiwari. I would like to come to somebody else. Who else wants to say something? Ruchi.
Yes,
Pune. Yeah, Ruchi.
Struggle, negotiation. Now, the other element is positive outlook and attitude. It is very important. And in case of child, the personality, no place of negotiation and struggle. Is there any place? I don't think so. The relation between children and parents is of struggle and negotiation. Parents are doing good for children, and children are really doing learning from their parents. So like positive attitude from children and from parents is very important.
Yes, who else wants to say something?
Sir, I want to say
Yes,
something.
yes, just a moment, Shalini ma'am. I'll go to Divya ma'am. Divya ma'am, Moradabad,
yes,
come
sir.
on.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think parents should make them learn to do each and every part at any cost, to do some hard work. They should learn. And some extra treat what we are saying is necessary. That is to make them responsible for everything. They should learn to, parents should make them learn to do each and in each part, to be a responsible person.
All right.
Responsible.
But ma'am, responsibility always comes with accountability. People are
Yeah.
ready to take responsibility, but they are not happy and ready to take accountability. That is the problem at job and workplace also, and with kids also. Hyderabad, you want to say something? Sitting in a yoga posture, not saying something. Huh?
No, sir. I was focusing on everyone's point, and here is my point. Negotiation, because at this stage, we can't expect negotiation from kids' sides, where we have to teach them. They are too young to negotiate with us. And negotiation is the wrong word. In place of negotiation, if we say liberty, and that liberty we should not give that liberty suddenly. That liberty also we should give gradually. Like if my kid is 4 years old, so at this growing, and he is or she is at the age of 16 years, so at that time we should give some liberty so that they can ask us, they can give their thoughts, they can give their points, and then we both can sit together and take a right decision in place of negotiation.
All right.
So this is my thought. No negotiation, only gradually liberty.
All right. Any counterpoint for Swati? Yeah, Snigdha, please. Then I'll come to Shalini ma'am also. Shalini ma'am, you want to say something?
Yeah, sir, I want to say like it is depend on upbringing of their and for new generation. I think so, because it depends on atmosphere of their house and atmosphere of outside also, like friend circle. It makes the personality. And other thing is like if we are not negotiate with them, so how can they get the good points and how can they improve themselves? So we should negotiate also, and let them live alone also, like they should go out and see the environment, and whatever they are getting from there, that make their personalities, I think so. And there is a one thing also, like there is a potential and perfection between in both of them. There is a effect when they will do their effort, then they can get good perfection, and we can say like they will become good, they will get good personality after that.
Thank you, Shalini ma'am. My last question, and then we will end this. My last question is, do you all think that are parents forgetting how to parent? Are the parents forgetting parenting nowadays? Don't take ideally your own house as an example, or maybe your own you yourself. Do you think parents are forgetting that how to parent their child? If yes, if no, say something. You don't have to raise hand. Say आवाज नहीं आती. Audio has to be switched on. Yes.
Now these days parents are forgetting these things, how about the parenting, the right way of parenting. They are focusing on her or his job only, and they are using like they are like hiring the creche also for the kids. Nothing else they are not doing. Even they are not teaching. They are educated. They are like honors and PhD holders and so much like a educated person, but still they are hiring the tutors for own children. Why they are hiring?
All
If
right.
I am able, so why
I would like to say
Okay.
something.
Renu.
Sir, I think nowadays parents are actually more focused on parenting of their children. Earlier also children, parents used to used to throw their children to the grandmas and grandpas, and they were being taken care by the grandmas and grandpas. So, and having
All
children
right.
in crush and
All right. So
everything.
that means you mean to say parents are becoming more better at parenting. Is that
Yes,
so?
they are
They're
aware.
becoming better.
They are
All right.
aware.
Let's quickly go to Shivani. Shivani wanted to say something. She raised her hand. Shivani, are you
Yeah.
there with us?
Sir,
Yeah.
I just want to say that parenting is a skill, just like speaking, communication, and our parents are never taught how to parent their kids. Like in the US, they have specific courses that when the ladies they are pregnant, they go to along with the father. They go. They learn that particular skill.
I
That what
disagree. I disagree.
I object. You can say.
I object to this, Your Honor. Your
Yes,
Honor.
yes,
Anju
yes.
ma'am, please.
Parenting is never a skill. Parenting cannot be taught. Parenting
Yes.
cannot be learned. All the animals, they are feeding their kids in the jungles, on the roads, and who has taught them? The birds.
Just telling you a small word. If anyone just search on the Google, my Hindi word is just search Hindi word. What is chappal mean in English? You can give one beautiful sentence. This is a tools that parents handle their kids. This is written on the Google. How you can expect it? This is written on the Google.
Excuse me, sir.
But Shivani ma'am
Yeah,
raised the
Divya,
point. This is still-
nobody
Divya,
agrees. But
Divya ma'am wants
no,
to say
no.
something. Divya ma'am.
Actually, I did not get
You
to
cannot,
finish it.
But not all.
You cannot
No, no,
cabin
actually,
it in one room.
Shivani has offended many forum today. Yeah.
Because
Parent always
my-
accepts
sir,
this, not
because
All right.
now
no,
these
will
days
ask-
we are biased.
I will ask the most controversial person in this batch. Amit Singh, are you a good parent?
Is he a parent?
He is a parent. He's got a small child.
Okay.
He is a parent.
It is others to judge. I cannot judge myself as a parent.
Still, how do you analyze?
I come from a old thought of school. Like I'm not, as Anju ma'am said, parenting cannot be taught, it cannot be learned, and it cannot be unlearned. So our forefathers were not taught how to raise us. So similarly, we have to amend ourselves according to social circumstances.
All right. So here Shivani says in America, the parenting means taught also. So do you think it is just a gimmick of management to earn money from the parents in
Definitely,
America?
sure, ma'am.
No. For marriages, they are taught how to be with your spouse, how to run the, because
Now
they
prenuptial agreements also.
because they are not
And there the lawyer is needed.
All right. So, all right. Thank you, Anju ma'am. Now I would like to say it is already 1:45. You all have had a wonderful session, and I'm very happy with FCF. If you people show me your thumbs up that such kind of forum we should do every Sunday. So give me your thumbs up, so we will always keep it on a Sunday, and it will be great to have you a participation. Soon, I'll just send you one message. At least the people present in this, are you in or FCF? FCF now, free conversation forum. So you have to give me a thumbs up. I will add you to a broadcast so that every time I'll send a message, it will go to everyone. And it is not compulsory to attend. You might be having some work. You may not be able to join. That is perfectly okay. FCF is out of any foundations. It is completely liberal. I want this family to grow bigger and bigger and bigger so that an hour you all get to speak English without being judged, being analyzed by somebody. But yes, we should be able to talk some small little things, And one request, because some of you may not have that maturity and some of you might be quite mature. Respect everybody's point of still with your body language, with your facial expressions, with your listening skills. Oh, wow, what a point. Man mein andar chahe chal raha. Wow, what rubbish. You cannot express. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a beautiful day and enjoy your Sunday now. Have lunch.
Sir, happy Dashera.
Happy Dashera.
Happy Dashera. Happy Dashera to
Dashera,
everyone.
everyone.
Happy Dashera.
Happy Dashera, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Dashera.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Have a great day, everyone.
Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.